In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix you've already submitted a request. Please try again later on LinkedIn. So the first thing you may want to do is wait for at least 24 to 72 hours. LinkedIn limits how many connection requests you can send to prevent spam. Next is try canceling pending invites. So from your LinkedIn page, head over to My Network. Now from here, cancel all your pending invites. You might also want to withdraw all or ignored requests. Now the next thing you may want to do is try refreshing the page, then log out to your account, just press the Me button, then press Sign Out, then log in once again to your LinkedIn account. Next is try using a different browser like Edge or Firefox if you're using Chrome, or try opening LinkedIn in Incognito tab. Also, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. So from your browser, click on the three dot icon at the top right corner of your screen, then click on Delete Browsing Data. From here, make sure that you choose or select cookies, cache, and browsing history, and press the Delete Data button. This removes stored data that may trigger the error. Now, if the message still appears, wait longer, for LinkedIn's limits reset automatically with time. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!